Actually, I was just in the other interview with Dr. Shahid Abbas, and I did not wear the headphones. Now it sounds all a little bit weird for me.
Yeah.
It's a little bit unnatural. We are talking medicine, and medicine has so many features. It's all revolving about the health of a human being.
Yes.
And so when we are talking about the health of a human being, there's also not only the immunology angle that I just discussed with Shahid Abbas, there's also a completely different angle, and that is the laziness of people to move,
Yeah.
which has a big impact.
Exactly.
And for that laziness, thank God, we have some nice people like you. I know you only as Logi. What is your name?
Amal.
Amal.
Yes.
So, Amal, you're from
Egypt.
Egypt.
Yes.
And please tell us about what is your profession that I'm aiming to talk about, and how did you get to do this?
Okay. Actually, I'm starting since a long time in the fitness field. So I'm working as a personal trainer. My only passion in a personal trainer, not only just to go this field, and I really want to do something with my clients to reach the healthy goal, to make some effort in their lives. So I'm already specialist in sports medicine. This is my officially certification. It's NASM, or National Academy of Sports Medicine. So mostly the people that I'm dealing with them, athletes, the people like the kids, they have a chronic disease. They have they are mostly.
So your work now is working with people. And what do you do with the people? So you have people with various backgrounds. Again, healthy people, not so healthy people. And what is it exactly that they are getting from you?
See, actually, when the clients come to me in the beginning, I have to know everything about the lifestyle for the client. So after this, I decide to change the life on the goal that my clients need. So the thing that I'm doing, the client is coming to me. I'm just asking some questions about the life, the sleeping, food, work time, habits per day, everything about the client. This is the normal client. I'm not now talking about the chronic disease or something like have some issues in the health. But the thing is, I'm actually putting the client on the track, will be fit his life.
But how do I have to, or what are you doing with the people? I want to aim at you're doing sport with them.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. I'm doing sport. I'm doing sport with them. Yes.
So, and that is something that we all want to do, and most of us bring it just to the TV and watch football game and think that we are already very sportive by knowing all the names of the players. And in the worst case scenario, we are not watching it at home, we are watching it in the bar and then eating and drinking while watching other people enjoying the sport.
Exactly.
So there's not much sport in a sport bar, and if you want to do sport, you need to overcome some kind of threshold to really do it.
Exactly. Actually, sport, it's not only to go to the gym to work out. It's not only to go to change your body shape. Sport, it's a lifestyle to invest in your body now, so you can later on you can gain a lot of happy life. So the thing that you are doing now, it's not only to go to the gym to practice 1 hour. Sometimes I'm telling my people, don't pressure yourself, just go to walk, even in the street. But it's very healthy. It's very good to make something or some effort in your body every day, because after 1 month you will find that you are doing 100% from your ability to do something good for your body later. So that's my main goal. That's my sport. It's very important to just have the knowledge, to give the experience for the people. They have a lack of knowledge about the sports, because it's not only to go to left weight. It's not only to go to just play some sports like fighting. It's a lot of things you can do in the gym, actually. It's even very simple things. It will be improving your health.
So your workplace is mainly in the gym?
Yeah.
Or also outside?
Outside. I'm a freelancer, so I'm doing in the gyms or outside open areas.
And I must admit, you're also my personal trainer.
Yes, my pleasure, Doctor.
And I tried to recall what I learned in your sessions and do it myself. myself, but I figured out that it is not so easy to do it by yourself. And I'm also constantly, maybe because it's because I'm talking a lot about fitness and well-being, my phone constantly suggests for me apps like Tai Chi apps or calisthenics apps or so, and I know for sure that doesn't help much. What is the difference if you have a person there who is a trainer? And I mean, you studied that, yeah?
Sure, yes.
What is the difference for the patient? Why do we need a personal trainer?
It's a very good question. Actually, everyone can go to the gym to work out, but if you have a personal trainer, so he can guide you in the right way for your body, because maybe you can try so many things in the gym, but it will not work on your body.
Can that also be harmful?
Yeah.
What can happen, for example, if you do the gym work in a wrong way?
It might give you injury. It might make you sitting at home for six months at least. But if you have a personal trainer, so he can guide you in the right way. So the thing, it's not only to teach you how to make the proper movement, how to teach you the good techniques.
Yeah.
He also gave you some tips to teach you how to do it. So this is not only to guide you to know how to do the exercise. He's giving you a lot of knowledge for your body, because for sure your body is different than the other type of genetics, other bodies. So your body is your body. So I'm a personal trainer. I'm coming to tell you what is your body actually need. So this is very important.
So everybody is individual.
100%. 100%.
I heard also of people who were lifting too heavy weights, and then they ruined their joints, or they ruined their shoulder, or they ruined their back.
For sure.
And then I think it is the sequence of the right exercise also that is necessary. So that you start with a certain exercise before you do another exercise. Is this correct?
See, the question here is this guy or this athlete, he's doing this as a bodybuilder. This is his own work, yani. I mean, he's practicing this for something like he's a champ to do in competition, or he's trying to practice something new.
Yeah. I don't know. I mean, people probably, my guessing is that many guys are seeing good results after a few weeks, and then they get hooked up on that and have a fantasy of the size of their muscles and so on, and then they continue with that. And what I believe is, if you're not doing that in the right manner, you will end up with a slip disc or something like that, or with a back problem, and that can ruin your entire fun in the sport.
This is exactly, it's happened in that so many people, they are trying to lift so many, and after time they feel like joints painful, and they have a back pain, they have a lot of injuries, because they are not caring about to stabilize the muscle, to strengthen the muscle. They are only lifting things very, very heavy for the body. So for sure your joint will be drained, your joint will be tired after the time. Maybe you are not recover well, maybe you are not doing the process for recovery the right way. So this is different between the bodies, and between every person. It should be take care of your body health in the beginning, the first priority, and then left in the ability that your body need to.
So when it comes to personal training, why should people, I mean, there are people passing by here. I think nearly everybody needs to do something, isn't it?
Exactly. See, I will tell you something funny, that sometimes I walk in the street, my eyes start to x-ray all the people around me. This one have a kyphotic, this one has scoliosis, this one have a valgus knee, this one. So many people, they have a lot of posture deviations in the street, but they don't know about their bodies. They don't know actually. So how they will know if they are not going to the personal trainer to talk with them and to explain about what actually your body needs to put you on the right track?
Yeah.
Makes sense?
Yes. So let's say if you put them on the right track, does that mean that they have to look like a bodybuilder afterwards?
For sure. No. Bodybuilder is a goal for some people. Be fit, it's a goal for some people.
Yeah.
Lose weight is a goal for some people. Body tuning is another goal. So it depends on on the goal for the client. We cannot decide this.
Yeah.
Only the client he can decide. I only can give you some tips. It will affect you. It will be good. It will help you more. It will not help you.
Yeah.
So this is my advice. Yeah.
So you also have to give nutrition advice.
Yeah, for sure. I have to give some tips because it's a cycle. It's if you want to change your life, it's not only to work out. It's to work out, to eat healthy, to sleep well, to drink water, to have to take your vitamins. Exactly, to take your vitamins. So this is very important.
So another point would be the fitness. I'm aiming at something. Yeah? Let me tell you already what I'm aiming at. So I read, you know that we have another clinic, German clinic, and in German clinic, you are also involved as one of the personal trainers who can be available for the clients
Yes.
who want to extend their lifespan.
Exactly.
Now, extending your lifespan, sorry, I took the wrong word actually. I wanted to extend the health span. And extending the health span requires, at a certain stage, a certain muscle mass. So research has shown that you need, the bigger your muscles, the longer your life, and especially the combination of height and muscles.
Yeah.
So if you are basically like a person that is only muscle, you have a better chance to have a very long life.
Exactly.
That's why training of the big muscles is also
Very important.
very important. But what I want to aim at is, at the same time, people should not get inflammation in their body, and to reach that goal, to be healthy even in old age. What is it that they have to do, or what would you do with them to keep them going, to keep them healthy a long time? Let's say any person on the road. For example, a 60-year-old woman that says to you, you know what, actually at the moment I'm 1.50 meters, my weight is 100 kilo, and I want some money, and now I'm so rich and I want to enjoy my life a little bit longer, as long as it gets. What should I do?
So first, I'm gonna talk about why the people, they are not continue to go into the gym. They stop sometimes for a long time. So there's some people, they have a lack of time, commitment with the family, the work. They don't have good knowledge. They feel like they are losing when they are going to the workout, in the gym. They feel like that they don't know anything to do. So this might affect them to, or not feeling interest to go to workout. So, and this thing that we have to do as a personal trainer to motivate the client to stay on the track, to get more progress on their body. How we can do this? First, we have to not be a personal trainer. Actually, this is the truth. We have to be like a friend. We have to have a good connection with the client. We have to talk. We have to listen more than we talk, because the client, whatever he's coming to you, he has a problem. Maybe he know it, maybe he don't know. So we have to listen a lot from the client to know about everything. Your lifestyle, it's different. Maybe you are waking up at 6 a.m. You have work 7 or 8. You are staying at work 8 hours and you're coming back home very tired. You don't have time to eat on a specific time. So what we have to do as a personal trainer, we are customized a plan for each one different. So I know about all your habits, your lifestyle, your time, exactly your mood, at least, to know when you are high a good mood, when you are low mood. So I can adapt with the client to explain what we have to do. Very small steps in the beginning to be as a habit, and I start to motivate the client every day to show him some results every month. When the client sees some result, even the small result, will get motivated. After like 1 month, he start to make it a habit to work out at least 1 hour or 30 minutes a day. So it's not coming one day. You have to be disciplined and you have to take the decision to start to change your life. So this is very important. But the client, it's not only the decision maker, we also decision maker for your life.
So let's say you're happy with your life and you don't want to change your life. Yeah, but obviously you will tell me, or you will tell the person, you may be happy with your life, but you have to change if you want to have a long, healthy life.
Yeah, sure.
So that requires some persuasion skills.
Yes.
How do you do that? It's just different with every client. I think this is the most difficult thing, yeah?
Yeah, exactly. But no one will be very happy in his life if he's not practice some movements in the day. Believe me, it's very common. No one is successful and have a good, healthy life, and he's not having 1 hour or 30 minutes at least running or walking on the street.
Yes.
The successful people have very organized in their lives.
Yeah.
They practice some.
Very good.
You also are as a
answer. Very good answer, because you can only be successful if you.
Exactly. You, I can mention you as you're my client, my doctor, my godfather, but actually you're coming from a long day from the work and you still have the passion to go to work out. You still have the passion to do some effort in your body, and you are from the best people that they work out with me. Mashallah, and God bless you. So this is the only different thing between the one he is really want to put some effort in his body, in his life, and someone he's very lazy to go to 20 minutes.
Yeah, walking, but it's also better than nothing.
For sure, 100%. Walking is very, very, very good for the heart, for the body, for the bone destiny, for everything.
I have a last question, actually. What was always going through my mind, when you start this personal training, you usually think, I do that for a certain while, but I get the very weird feeling that is probably not stopping. Is there like a limit where you can say, okay, good, I do that for 1 year and that's good? Or
No, for myself, it's not for 1 year. I start to work in this field since I was 17, and my passion to go to work out, because I feel when I got any stress, when I have problems, when I have anything that I'm like really thinking a lot, when I go to the gym to work out, start to release all my stress and all my power in something very good and something healthy for myself, I start to feel the effect in my life. Totally different, totally changed in a good way. So it makes my passion also to make this with the people, to spread this experience with the people, to advise them to go to work out, not only to make a good shape. It's also for your health, for your happiness. Exactly.
That's probably a good point, yeah. But still, do you have people who just stop after a year and say, so now it's enough? I achieved enough?
They are coming back to me.
Yeah. They will miss the good feeling. I just came back from today. Before I went to work, I had a 1.5 hours of hot yoga, which is really crazy. Crazy. It's like a crazy workout.
Yes.
And I always have this feeling before that it's a strange feeling, like, do you really want to do this? Yeah. And already it starts very slow and then it gets really intense, and already when you've done that before, it's going to be intense.
Yeah.
You get a little bit like not fear but discomfort, because there will be uncomfortable situations coming.
Yes, because your body is not doing this usually.
Yeah.
This is normal.
But the point is, afterwards, afterwards you reap the fruits. It's just like you feel so happy that you've done it.
Yes.
And I think people miss this happiness.
Exactly.
And that's how once they get this kind of happy feeling. And what you said, I heard that also from my wife who's doing Pilates, that sport is making her so happy.
Yes.
And she also feels unhappy when she's not doing any sport. And I think as a personal trainer, you are the person who can guide the people into happiness, give them happiness in their life.
Exactly. It's a very good point, because we are not working on the bodies, we are working on the souls, how to be happy, productive, thinking in a good way, be successful. Because if you want to be successful and you are not doing something healthy, so totally you are not thinking in the right way. So you have to do something good for yourself, for your health, so it leads you to make a successful life.
I actually never have seen anybody unhappy after a sport, unless it is competition or so, somebody who lost or so. Yeah, they are happy. But
we have seen these movies before, but after you finish something very hard, for sure your hormones becoming stimulate your body and start to be active, to feel happy, and you'll feel so proud if you are practice something new in your body. You're not usually do that, so you feel later, yes, I did it. I'm so proud of myself to do something that I'm not usually doing. So this feeling, don't miss it, because you can do more. Don't put any limits for your body. You never know. I usually tell my clients always, don't scare from the weight. Don't say I cannot, because you never know your limits, yes?
Yes, that's true.
You can lift. I trust your body more than you. So how can I know that? Because I know your ability to do more.
Yeah, that's true, and it gives you this very good feeling afterwards when you made it. Before we finish, just brief note to clients for German clinic. So we start this program for Healthspan extension, and it has multiple facets: psychology, nutrition, and all the metabolic and health, DNA aspects, sleep aspects, and so on. Dr. Godric is our doctor there who's taking the lead in this, but also Dr. Samia is there, and we have Dr. Alina, who is a PhD nutritionist, and we have Amal / Logi, who is the person who is responsible to put you and keep you on the track once we have our AI supported analysis finished, and we discuss with you what you need to do to live a few years, maybe 10, maybe 20 years longer than your life expectation would have been. So Logi is the one who's putting you on the track.
I will be so happy to collaborate with you, and I'm so happy actually to talk so many different things today with you. It was a very good interview, and I'm start to work with you as a personal trainer, and I'm ready to give my experience for the people that really wants to change their life.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.